Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get all the categories of WooCommerce in WooCommerce. So let's get started. So I have created all the categories here. You can see that we have a categories, right? So we are going to take a design of this one and make it successfully. Okay. So let's take an design of one of the tab. So it's an article post. Okay. So let's see what exactly it is. So it is div block image dog block content, this block columns, then this one, then we have this, then we have that, then we have this one, then we have this one. Okay, so this is the full, no, this is that one. So we are going to copy this whole block, edit HTML, so copy this one. Okay, so we are going to add this one, and first of all let's add this code. Okay, so let's make a thing. So for these categories and the subcategories are already available. If I go and see that, so categories are there. This is the categories, right? So this have the categories, all the categories are here just because of this one. So we have taxonomy, order by, show count, ipad, this one you have to add, right? So taxonomy is product category. Okay, so we are get categories function will get all the categories, then we are making it the parent category. So we are taking a loop. If it is a children, then we are going to print it the children also. Hierarchy level is, you can see that there is one. Okay, so we are just adding the image and the same thing with this one also. So we can also design it over here, or we can take a look and fill over here also. We can for now, for this one, for categories and subcategories, we can comment it from for now. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code is one, right? So I'm going to just close this one tag and open this tag here, right? So to for the look and the feel we are going to make, so let's add it over here. So let's take an example. We have WP columns, we have WP column, the image, then we have this, then we have a text paragraph, then we have a div close. So this is the loop, I guess, column that is working around. So rest we don't require it. So let's move it all. Then we have a bath products main column. Then we have this. Okay, so we are going to remove this. Okay, so this is the thing that we have. So this is the last, and this we need to remove this p tag. So this is the main, and this is the, this we need to also remove it. Okay, so this is the thing. Let's see what exactly we looking like. So let's comment this one both part. Okay, so let's see what exactly it's looking for. So this is a critical error. What exactly the critical error is? Okay, so this is a PHP part which needs to be commented, or we can erase it. So there should be a line like this. Okay, so let's see. So it's opening. Let's move to the categories we have. So you can see that the divs are coming like this. Okay, so let's make it dynamic right now. So we have the image URL. So just call it in the loop. So where is the loop that we have an image source, then we have to pass it like this. So there is a multiple images that is here and there. So let's make it image source, remove this one, sizes and all. Okay, so we have this one. So I'm going to add the image URL. Here we are going to remove this one, right, and make it like this, PHP and echo dollar image URL. Okay, so this is how it is gonna be adding. And now we have a title also, so let's add the title, cat name. Let's add it here, PHP echo cat name, right? Let's save it and reload this. So what it's gonna be like, so you can see that the product images are coming like this. Okay, so product are there, uncategorized don't have the image, right? So we can more modifying it like this. Let me inspect this and so what exactly it is, column, this one. So let's make add some CSS with with 3.3 percentage, all three come inside, and make it also, if you want like 25% each, so you can also do like this. Okay, so you can see that all the images are coming like this, and there is, right? And also make it like padding left, that is 12 pixels, so you can see that how it looks like, right? So you can make it such kind of things like categories, forgetting in the categories and the subcategory bar, so that it looks nicer way to your website. So you can see that we are able to fetch all the categories here in WooCommerce. So any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section, so we will check it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand how to create or pull the categories of WooCommerce and show into the front end. So I have shown that all the categories over here, so you can make it custom category showing and make your homepage more aesthetic and modern way of look. Okay, thank you so much. Please do share, like and comment. Have a great day.